Welcome back to Drones for Kids.
And today we will be teaching you guys how to remove the prop guards from the Tello DJI and how to put them back on. My brother's gonna do how to take them off, and I'm gonna put them back on. So yeah, let's get started.
Hey guys, welcome back to Drones for Kids. Today we're gonna be talking about the Tello and how to remove the prop guards. And right now I'm gonna talk about if you do things like crashing into the pool, that's you're not allowed to do. Boom, boom, boom. And if you go over the pool, I wouldn't recommend doing that because if it runs out of battery, then, well, yeah, you're dead. So now we're gonna tell you how to remove the prop guards. So if you're right-handed, you would hold with your left hand, you can hold the drone, or if you're left-handed, you hold the drone with your right hand. And so I'm, right-handed, and I hold it, and you're just gonna just pop this right off. So this is kind of how you do it. Yeah. And then you can do it. All of them. Yep. But be careful there's nobody around you because it might hurt them. And, well, yeah, because they fall off and fly away. So they don't fly away, but yeah, you know. So here it is. That's how we do that drone.
What up guys, and today I'm going to teach you how to put the prop guards back on. So once you have everything set up like so, you're going to go in and start putting them on. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to pinch over like this. And you're going to take the Tello with your left hand, if you're right-handed, and you're just going to snap it back in. And it should make a noise, a little click. As you can see here, it's nice and in there. And then we're gonna go to the next one. So then you flip it over, you do the same thing again, you pinch it, and you push until it snaps into place. There we go, you hear that nice and satisfying sound. So you take this again and you put it in. Look at this. Nice. And now when you bump into things, it'll just bounce right off. Thanks for watching our video, guys, and we hope you guys learned how to remove the prop guards and put them back on.
Yep.
Hopefully my brother's safety tips help you guys.
Because, well, they should. Leave a subscribe below and a comment and a like. So, yeah. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.